Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Life with Nicole, Marie, and Gary. Today, you guys, let's do a little bit of an Amazon unboxing, shall we? Okay. So let's get started. So I already opened it up. Ooh. Let me get this open here right quick for y'all. So it's a package in a package. Okay, hold on. Y'all, hubby wanted me to get a new purse. So this I bought on Amazon. As I said, it's called LAVAWA. LAVAWA is the company name. I love it so far. Let's go ahead and get this off. All right, y'all. So I got all the protective packaging off. So this is what she looks like. This is the front. This is the back. There is a pocket back here. Put your phone in there or whatever. Again, this is a LAVAWA. 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 It is a cross, what do they call it? Cross-shoulder handbag. It is black suede. And I've already opened it up. So we have our middle pocket here. We have another pocket here. Now I'm trying to do this while I'm conducting the video. Let me see. What am I doing? Okay. And another pocket here. And then over here, y'all, you got these little pockets here. You can put your phone in. And it has another, besides this inner pocket, it has another inner pocket. Oh, for the love of God. Y'all, I'm doing it one-handed. Like a smaller little pocket there. So exciting. Yes. And then, of course, the strap here. So you could actually use this as just a handbag if you would like. Or use the strap. I'm definitely going to use the strap. The strap is adjustable. Yeah. Get the little fringies all right. They'll straighten out as time goes on. You know, she's new. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not an affiliate. I'm thinking about maybe doing that one day. But for right now, I just like to share stuff with you guys. That's what our channel is about. It's about sharing our life, sharing our experiences with you. Oh, it's got little rhinestones here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Too cute. Oh, I love it. She's beautiful. Anywho, yeah, I just like to share stuff with you guys. Just go to LAVAWA, LAVAWA. I'll put everything in the description box. And head over to Amazon if you're interested. She, with tax and everything, was a little over $30. So, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till next video, guys. Take care. Bye, y'all.